Miss KFIF 2022. Nili ke ne promise amo lang lamsak nang pilo nili pacu nelo. Non nang litum lamsak nang pita. Mohen nang litum nang pumati. Asik itu dan side air side apa kau? Mina pan side apa ngali? Ngali ri side apa? Tangke to. Finalists, let's hear it for the top 10 of Miss KFIF 2022. Thank you. Laban labang so final round along. A sequence bate choreographer ilitum longdo, ilitum ajaj sangbong, ilitum Prasan Bose, alang li si labang so final round abang. Rem ho abang sequence abang alang li invent si labang so choreograph plus alang li han control stage lang han kabaing kan si tuning relo. I would like to request the choreographer of the final round, Mr. Prasan Bose, one of our judge. Yes, of course. So please join me on today's station. Also, to please stand along with the few divisions for our felicitation round. Because you are the choreographer of the final round. So, sampai song members to my team has sampai alang ipan Raishu ipan alang illustration designer alang itu dan seven. Laban ilitum final round bate ilitum labang. So a competition along sampai alang ke judge a panel laban ke alang ipan puhui pak pen alang ipan ilitum karsusi kan hondo. And also ilitum first round laban second round choreographer Julie Baby ipan sampai stage longan ke main kan stage tuning reji. For a second round Julie Baby ipan sampai first laban second round a choreographer alali Julie Baby alali ipan sampai pohon ipan sampai karsu ipan stage tuning reji.
What can be your greatest contribution to the society?
Okay, so once again, good evening to everyone. And my greatest contribution to the society will be, it will be for the young generation that grow up, be confident, and give respect to others and to environment itself. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we invite the next contestant, number 2. Please come in the middle, near the mic. And I request Sonia to ask a question.
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Hi. So my question to you, what is more important to you, money or fame, and why?
It's fame, ma'am. Because
And why?
yeah, because when you are well known, famous, I think money comes automatically. That's it. Thank you.
I would request Mr. Surya, please ask the contestant number 3. Please step forward, contestant number 3.
Susanna, what language do you prefer? Arabic or English? Arabic. Okay. Let me ask in Arabic. Karbi ciklu yang ini amen karbi peputan. Antum le kalau antum kecing pen, Januari Februari bisa kasih kecing pen.
the most important lesson for us to learn from life? What is the most important lesson for us to learn from life?
Thank you so much for your question, sir. So my answer to your question will be the most important lesson that we have to learn from our life is that we should not stop trying. We should always be confident enough and we should keep trying. And no matter how hard life will throw us apart from the goal that we have set, but we have to be focused and we have to reach our goal by any means. No matter how life treats us, we have to reach our goal. Thank you so much.
Yeah, good, thank you. Next contestant, number 5, please come forward. I will request Julene to ask and simultaneously Sonia.
Hello, Ruptalon baby. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, miss.
Comfortable with both the language?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so my question goes, why is it important to wear our traditional attire? Gopi apot si ili traditional attire ka ji nang ji kenang sodlo.
It is important to wear our traditional attire to showcase our culture and tradition and to identify our culture. Thank you, miss.
Thank you so much.
Hello, a reminder to all the beauty patients. Nali tum Kupiya language में comfortable labang so language से think करने nali tum lambo language kami English unon ka Hindi unon ka Karbi unon nali tum Kupiya language mang juntu confident nanti plus so language में nali tum thakon kami.
Hello.
Hi, miss.
Hi. So my question to you,
Hello sir.
tell me what success means to you.
Thank you for your question, miss. My answer to you is success is satisfaction vision of what you are doing or what you have, and this is what you know you will be. Thank you, miss.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next contestant, please.
Journey, yeah, English law?
Yes, sir.
Karbima English law?
English.
English, okay. Now tell me, what are your thoughts on the Miss KYF 2022?
Wow, that's a very good question. Thank you so much, sir. My thoughts for Miss KYF 2022 is that we could see so many new things, like the Museum of No Thank You, which was not well developed back then, but this year it is inaugurated in such a beautifully and many things. People are starting to know about our culture and traditions, and so many people from not just here but from outside of Assam are trying to visit because of this Garbiud festival, and that is what it makes this Garbiud festival so beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you. Next beauty patient, please.
Request number 8. Okay. Tell ask the name of 12 months in Karbi. I also want to know, although I don't know. Can you? Yeah. Okay, crowd. Okay, crowd. Who can tell from the crowd? Okay, anyways. I would like to ask you another question, by the way. You already left? Okay, number 8. Yes. Which celebrity do you idolize and why? Which celebrity do you idolize and why? समझ में आया? Which celebrity?
Nang ningihan a celebrity kumat lo laben ku people lo nang ningihan so celebrity phat.
Nililinggihan ke Katrina Kaif ha.
And why people lo?
Alang diklip kita misem na pen na figure ha yung misem. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Next contestant, please. Beauty vision number 9.
Hello, Jyoti B. Sangma.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
English?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my question is, what is the most important lesson for us to learn from life?
Well, thank you for the question, ma'am. Life is all about never giving up. No matter how many times you fall down, you always strive to come up and try and be the winner. Thank you.
Thank you. Contestant number 10. Beauty vision number 10, please.
Hello, ma'am.
So my question to you, what is different between beauty pageant and runway fashion show?
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. Well, according to me, the difference between beauty pageant and runway pageant is because in beauty pageant, the judges and the audience focus on all the beauty queens more on their personality and their talent, about having a compassionate heart, about knowing that what they can do from their crown. It's about being the best individual who can be the one where people get inspired and motivated. And about runway walk, the difference is that they are a model who are really perfect and they help the designer to showcase their outfit. I think this is a difference, and this difference make both of them so beautiful and unique. Thank you so much.
Thank you. If there is anything else from our panel of judges. So that's it. That's the end of the final round and the question round. I would like to request the sound engineer to play a music track so they can walk the band back to the stage. I mean, to the green room.
contestant number 9, Miss Judy B. Sangma. First runners-up goes to contestant number 10, Miss
I
Anushka
would
Terogi.
request all the team member of Jagmeet
And the winner is contestant number 7, Johnny
for the group
Gopi.
photo.
And now we will have a photo session. So I request all the Jagmeet members to come and join here with us on the stage.
Julie, Mr. Surya, why are you in the back? Come.
So I would like to request all the idol holders to please stay together for perfect photo session. So all the leaders should have photo session.
Okay, thank you so much. Wish you Okay, thank you so much.